How to link Instagram Reel to TikTok. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to link Instagram Reels to TikTok account. First of all, now after you open your phone, now go and open your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, now go and copy the link. As you can see now go and copy the link of the reel that you want to link to your Instagram, to your TikTok account. So I'll tap on this reel section. After I tap on this reel section, now let's say now I wanted now to link this reel into my Instagram account, like let's say this one, into my TikTok account. So tap on this share button. So after I tap on the share button, now tap on this copy. As you can see now, copy link, this one. After you copy the link of the reels, all you have to do now, close now your Instagram and go back to TikTok. Now go and open TikTok app like this now. After you open the TikTok app like this now, all you need to do now like this now go ahead and tap on your profile like this one. So after you open your profile like this now, all you need to do now, tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this plus button under your profile, this plus icon. So in this plus icon, all you need to do now, go and select a picture. I'll just use a random picture for this purpose of this video. Just go and select a picture. Let's say I'll use just this picture, this one. Now tap on the picture. So after you select a picture like this now, all you need to do, tap on this text button. So in this section now, go and paste in your link in this section. Now here is my link. I'll tap on this to paste the link. Now here is my link. So tap on this done button. So now as you can see now, here is the link. Now we just go ahead now and zoom the link and customize the link like this now. So drag the link to up, as you can see now. Now if I tap on this share story, now I link the Instagram link to my TikTok account. Now whoever open my story, he can be able now to view the Instagram reel using this link that I added to my TikTok story. That's the only way we can be able now to link Instagram reels to TikTok account. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.